He was a successful partner of a law firm. He seemed to be quite active in the social realm. We have some images online of him and his family attending various, like, you know, black tux affairs, as well as like there's pictures of him in leisure, boats and different things. Like he had, I mean, this gentleman had everything, and he seemed to be living that kind of life, you know? So comparatively, I struggle to believe that using $50,000 a week of opioids, that he could actually function. It just, I'm sorry.
Or perhaps he had a terrible drug dealer that was charging him way too much for his drugs.
Well, there is that possibility. There certainly. But even at that, I mean, I did some Googling because that's what I do.
Hmm.
And evidently, currently, the approximate street value of oxycodone, which is the particular substance of choice that he mentions, roughly ranges from $12 to $40 per pill.
Hmm.
So, on that note, I'm going to get into some numbers that I crunched.
Shall we share the screen?
Which screen would you like to share?
I don't. How about this one?
So, this is a mugshot of him after 2.5 months after his wife and son were found tragically shot on his property. He then had not yet been indicted, so he was at large, and he hired a former client of his to assassinate him, basically. Now, his excuse or reasoning for this is that he was concerned that his current insurance policy wouldn't pay out the, I think it was like $10 million benefit to his surviving son, Buster,
Mm-hmm.
if it was determined that he had committed suicide.
Mm-hmm.
So he hired this former client to do the deed. And now this is not speculation. This is fact. Okay. So apparently he somehow only suffered a superficial wound. And then it came about that he had hired this man to do this. So he said that because of his opioid problem, he misunderstood the insurance policy.
So hang on. Are you suggesting that he tried to screw the insurance agency, but now his part of his case is that he was too high to understand how to properly screw the insurance agency?
I guess in essence, that's a part of it.